monkey that would sit on a stool, watching everything the engineer would move. The day the engineer wanted to buy tea, left that monkey sitting on the driver's seat. Monkey pulled the throttle, locomotive jumped the gun, and did 90 miles an hour down the main line run. Big locomotive right on time, big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99, left the engineer with a worried mind. Left the engineer with a worried mind, worried mind. Engineer called the dispatcher on the phone. He told him all about his locomotive was gone. Get on the wire, switch operator to the right, 'cause the monkey's got the main line sort of tight. Switch operator got the message in time, so there's a northbound living on the same main line. Open up the switch and wanna pull him through the hole, 'cause the monkey's got the locomotive under control. Big locomotive right on time, big locomotive number 99. Big locomotive coming down the line, left the engineer with a worried mind. Left the engineer with a worried mind. Left the engineer with a worried mind. I have not played that in like 10 years.